Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to destination for the most honest, in-depth tech reviews. Today, we're diving into one of the best top-rated laptops of 2025, the latest portable 14-inch laptop from Molegar. It's marketed for students and professionals alike, and we're going to unpack exactly what you get, and whether it lives up to the hype. Right out of the box, this laptop looks stunning. The version we're reviewing comes in a soft pink color, sleek, modern, and definitely standing out from the sea of dull gray and black machines. It weighs just 2.64 pounds, which makes it incredibly portable. You could easily slip this into a backpack or tote and not feel the weight dragging you down throughout your day. Let's talk about the display. You get a 14.1-inch Full HD IPS screen with a resolution of 1920 by 1080. Text looks crisp, colors are vibrant, and the viewing angles are wide. Whether you're editing documents, watching lectures, or streaming your favorite series, this screen won't disappoint. And although it's not touch-enabled or ultra-bright like a high-end display, it holds its own exceptionally well at this price point. Under the hood, the Molegar laptop is powered by the Intel Jasper Lake N5095 processor. Now this chip beats out older models like the N4000 and N4020, especially when it comes to multitasking. In real-world use, this means smooth web browsing, quicker app launches, and reliable performance during everyday office or schoolwork. Pair that with 8GB of DDR4 RAM and you've got a system that's clearly built to handle multiple browser tabs, documents, spreadsheets, and even video calls without lagging. For storage, this configuration includes a 256GB PCIe SSD, although there's also a 512GB version available. Boot times are fast, files transfer quickly, and apps load without hesitation. This isn't just about convenience, it's about giving users real productivity gains throughout the day. One thing that stands out is the battery. It has a 38 watt-hour capacity and a 5000 mAh rating, which translates to roughly 4 hours of mixed usage. That includes browsing, document editing, and video streaming. While this might not compete with premium laptops offering 10+ hours, it's still solid for casual, short-term use, and with fast charging support, you can juice it back up quickly. Now let's talk features. First off, there's a full numeric keypad, something you don't always find in compact laptops. This is a win for students crunching numbers or professionals doing data entry. There's no backlit keyboard and no fingerprint reader, so keep that in mind if those features are important to you. In terms of connectivity, you're covered. It comes with USB ports, a mini HDMI for external display output, and dual-band Wi-Fi for stable internet access. Bluetooth is onboard too, so connecting wireless headphones or a mouse is simple. There's also a built-in webcam and microphone, perfect for Zoom classes or work meetings. They're not studio quality, of course, but they'll get the job done. It's an ideal pick for students, entry-level professionals, or anyone looking for a secondary laptop that's lightweight, fast for basic tasks, and doesn't break the bank. If you're a gamer or someone doing video editing or 3D rendering, this obviously isn't going to cut it, but for everyday needs, it's more than enough. In conclusion, the 2025 Molegar portable laptop gives you a lot for the price: a decent processor, SSD storage, great screen, solid design, and all the essential ports. Sure, it skips on some premium features, but that's expected at this tier. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're considering buying this laptop or have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our upcoming reviews of more top-rated gadgets of 2025. See you next time.